Welcome back to my channel once again. In this lecture, we are going to learn about format painting. Format painting habisi karino. Format painting habisi koigi certain cell amada aina apply tawriba format singdo atopa cell amada copy tawba adubani. For example, sigi cell si hoje koi formatting tawse. Formatting habadi masi color hapase and then make the statement bold, italic, as well as underline. So let's increase the size to 18. Karigumba ina sigi cell sidi yauriba formatting samara formatting se atopa cell sida ina copy tawning taragadi format painter sinaga tawbi ai. Karigumba normally tawba taradi I have to apply the all formattings here again manually. So like filling the color and then making it bold, italic, underline. How many steps? Increase the size to 18. Okay, like this I have to do all works again and again. But instead of doing that, if I want to apply the same thing in one click, then format painting is the tool which you can make the copy the same formatting in other cells. So let's do it. Click the format painter and then make it. But if I want to apply the same here again I have to click format percentage like this. But and also I can do like this. I make this format this cell as a like this, and whatever I write here, it will automatically apply the same format. Say word, see. But if I write the same thing here, it won't be like that. But the problem is, if kaigumba same formatting say in a different cells the pamagadi, suppose the word later is the ppt later is the itopi later hojik ina hanagi format painter to say naraga si si tawge haradi kamai tawni. Yes, now it's fine, but my condition is I don't want to do the formatting in the other empty cells. I want to do the formatting only in these cells where there is some text. So that formatting is not working. So what we have to do, let's undo it. Now let's select it. Instead of clicking only once, you do double click and then apply the formatting to the selected cells. Suppose word, and then you can keep doing till you press the escape key like this. Now you press the escape key, then it will go it will deactivate. So the one way is you select the formatted text, then click the format painter, and you can drag a series of text to apply the same formatting. But if you want to do the formatting in different cells, then you select the formatted text and double click and apply the selected cells like this at different cells. And this is for this lecture. I will see you in the next one.